In this video, I will show you how to get TradingView Premium, right? So this is TradingView, and if you want to get the premium, basically you have to make an account and log in into your account. Once you make an account, you have already logged in. Beside that, you will get this option of upgrade now. So once you have click on upgrade now, it will show you all the plannings, right? All the plans they provide. So this is essential one. This is plus and premium. The price can be vary depending upon your location and the country wise. So if you want to premium for free, you can just try it for the 30 days. So choose any of this stuff. For example, I want to go for this. Try free for 30 days or skip trial and pay now. So there's another thing. If you want to get 30 days free, so basically this is the only option you can get TradingView Premium for free for the initially 30 days. So you have to fill up this form and just click on start 30 days. So the amount will not get credit debited from your account. It will get debited once you have crossed the 30 days prior trial. So you can just use 29 days and you can just remove your account access, and automatically it will be completely free for the 30 days, right? So this is the only one way to get the 30 days free trial over TradingView. I hope you found this very useful. Subscribe.